Welcome back to the show. Now, in this week's Caribbean music video, let's take you across to Trinidad and Tobago for the latest from Montano.
Whining in a rage, getting on real bad, waiting on this stage. Them girl them say I'm mad, they tell me that I rude, but I like it so, cause that put them in the mood. It's all yeah that we waited, oh yeah, and we anticipated. Waiting on the stage. Here we go. Hey, what is this? Jump up. Hey, what is this? And jump. Hey, get on the stage. Jump up. Hey, get on the stage and jump. Hey, what is this? Jump up. Hey, get on the stage and jump. Hey, what is this? Jump up. Hey, stop the right now. When on the stage? When on the stage? Hey, when on the stage? When on the stage? Wait up. Hey, on the stage. Wait up. Hey, when on the stage? Jump up. Hey, on the stage. Jump up. Everybody's here, enjoying the line. Man, them holding on to them, girl, them waistline. We waiting on this stage, we waiting for we time, for we to carry on, and for we to lose we mind. It's all yeah that we waited. Oh yeah, and we anticipated. Oh yeah, oh no, it's all yeah that we waited. And we anticipated. Oh yeah, waiting on the stage. Waiting on the stage. Here we go. Hey, what is this? Jump up. Hey, what is this? And jump. Hey, get on the stage. Jump up. Hey, get on the stage and jump. Hey, what is this? Jump up. Hey, get on the stage and jump. Hey, what is this? Jump up. Hey, stop the right now. When on the stage? When on the stage? Hey, when on the stage? When on the stage? Wait up. Hey, on the stage. Wait up. Hey, when on the stage? Jump up. Hey, on the stage. Jump up. It's all yeah that we waited. Oh yeah, and we anticipated. Oh yeah, oh no, it's all yeah that we waited.
And inside this week's Ray Proud Jamaican Spirit feature, let's hear about Millie Small's mega hit single, My Boy Lollipop.
Jamaican singer Millie Small took the world by storm with her ska reggae version of My Boy Lollipop in 1964. First recorded in 1956 by American rhythm and blues singer Barbie Gay, Millie's version became the biggest selling ska reggae record at the time. Released by Chris Blackwell's Island Records, the song featured musician Ernest Wrangling on guitar. It reached number 3 in Canada, number 2 on the British pop chart, and number 2 on the Billboard Hot 100 single charts in America. It was a number 1 single on the charts in Ireland. The song went on to sell over 7 million copies worldwide and turned the then 18-year-old Millie Small into a household name.
You make my heart go giddy up. You set the world on fire. You are my one desire.
Her subsequent singles, Sweet William, Oh Henry, and Bloodshot Eyes didn't duplicate the success of My Boy Lollipop, but Millie Small is still this day revered as the first lady of Jamaican ska. My Boy Lollipop was the first Jamaican song to be certified multi-platinum worldwide and is a proud moment for Jamaican music. And that is why we are honored to salute Millie Small as our Ray Proud Jamaican Spirit. Ray Proud Jamaican Spirit.
And before we go, let's see which songs made the cut inside this week's Magnum Top 10 chart.
Cause some will use it for the money, use it for your fame, use it for the car, and them will use it for your name. Now them will lose with them the pain. And things with them I do are not the same. Cause man see them true colors. Yeah. That's why we lose never. Yeah.
She say me no time for her, so she gone with the next man. She a ride for another man sing song. In a dance, she a wind up to ding dong when me there. Rich, 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 real rich, 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 so rich, 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 rich.
Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times.
But we see me as me make them proud. Fresh like water, no grass with no green. Like a prince and princess, kings and queens.
Man, shell me the goddamn boy. That's why everybody at the champion boy. Have a rich gal in the Hamptons boy. The bush never been in the champion boy.
Start it and them a run help you one call. Roberto Carlos hardball. Make the sex so we don't worry you can't wall. Boy skin good and tougher than all wall. When me cell phone
And I'm Bella Punchinella, me no fella. What can you do, Punchinella, me no fella? She a do it too, Punchinella, me no fella. Can you read the Mars? Capella, the
Hey boy, let me tell you about real mad dog. Anywhere me go, me carry 3 bad dog. Looking at me and me never mean hot dog. Iron furnace, so the steel hot dog. Say you this cause of your feel.
Me now, where them treat me less than gold. Put me in a box like a rectangle. Oh, oh, look at me now. Oh, look at me now. Oh, look at me now. I mean, I tell you my life. Where them used to go round me, go round. No one used to come round me. My life was so lonely. Look at me now. Look at me now. Look at me now. The blessing does a flow over. It's a copia.
And that's how we end the show for this week. I am Kevin Jackson. Next week, Michaela will be back with you. Until then, follow us on social media at Pree Dis Show. Until next week, be safe.